Hey, good morning, kids. So this is a little garden update. It's so beautiful outside. It's raining. It's 5:30 in the morning. I replanted a couple of things. So when you come out here, you see a tomato what grows inside a part of a wooden pallet. I think I found that thing on the street, but it just looks stunning like this. And here are the rest of the tomatoes, everything what I could save from the worms, and there was also some powdery mildew infection on some of the plants. Here I put a little bit basil. I hope it's going to survive here. I don't know why those plants or those leaves are violet. I don't get it why. But it looks good. So what else do we have here? Here's a geranium. It's always super beautiful and colorful. Down there right now, because it's raining, I put the parsley down there. And here's a lemon tree. 3 lemon trees actually, what I all grew from seed. And this is my newest find. 3 avocados. They grew inside an old palm trunk. So the trunk was rotten from the inside. Somebody put a wooden board on top of it, and I looked under the board, and there were those beautiful aloe vera plants in there. So they are amazing. What I had to do with it, one of them broke here. You can see it, and I put a little band-aid over it, so I hope it's going to make it. This is a date. I got this date seed from a food basket from, I think it's called Sunbasket. They only have organic food. This is the hyacinth. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. That's how it's called. It's blurry again. Where you get it? It's a hyacinth. And then here, that's the onion pot. Yeah, it's all from scratch, you know, all my old onions, what I had, I cut off and then stick them inside there. And probably there's also garlic inside. What do we have there? Oh, that's a pineapple. That's the top of the pineapple, what I cut off and had it in a glass for a while till it seeded. Till it sprouted, sorry. And then, yeah, I just stick it in there. And here is a tomato. I'm sorry. And this is very interesting because it's merging together with that one. So it goes down there. They love each other. And as you can see here, we are having some, how's it called? Lettuce and some chives. And down there we are having the seedlings. That is basically all apple trees, and I think there's one lemon too. I'm going to show that to you the other day. And there we are having thyme and rosemary. They're always doing good here. And now I can show you the oregano. I think I can make amazing tomato paste with tomatoes paste on pizza or for pasta. It's going to be amazing, beautiful recipes. Can't wait for that. I hope it's going to rank all over this little stand. We will see. So this is a pepper. This is the last pepper I saved from, there were like little leaf worms underneath. And then I washed it, and I think now it's looking good. I think those are also aloe vera roots. I also found them in the tree trunk. And here, this is the powdery mildew infested tomato. This was really difficult. Let me show you the whole thing. Those both they grew in front of the window. There are 4 inside actually, and as stupid as I was, I put old shards from terracotta pots in there. I thought then the water wouldn't leak through the would stop the leakage, but you know, that was stupid. So you know, the water was stopped in the pot, so it couldn't leak through, and I don't know, they did not like it. But I rubbed on those things where all the powdery mildew were. Now you can see it so well because it's very dark outside, but here was all full powdery mildew. And first I rubbed some very dry but nutritious soil on top, and then aloe vera juice. So I just cut one of the aloe vera leaves in half and rubbed it all over where the powdery mildew was, and I think it's going better. I hope it's going to grow over this little metal piece. Yeah. So that's the balcony garden update from today. It's beautiful outside. It's raining. It's May. I don't know why that's happening. But yeah, everybody have a beautiful day. Bye.